You guys, so working on my brother's car again. This time his radiator cracked and he bought a brand new radiator, which is this right here. He's got his fans and everything attached to it now. He also wanted to change the thermostat housing on his car right there, but this bolt stripped. We didn't have box wrenches, so he went and bought box wrenches, but it's still stripped anyways. So I'm gonna see if I can get that off. I didn't later look it up, but you're supposed to hit it with PV blaster. But look, the tranny's back together, transmission's working just fine, clutch is doing good. He's been driving it, but it did his fan switch, his what is this called? The fan relay switch that tells the fans to turn on wasn't working properly, and he just replaced it. But I still managed to crack his radiator, so he got a brand new one. So that's what we're doing right now. Let's see if I can take that one off. It's kind of hard. They recommend you taking this off, which we did. That is super close to it, so it's like hard to put anything on there because you only get like that much space. So if you put like a ratchet head on it, it didn't work so well. And we used one of these regular like wrenches, and it began to strip it. It looked like someone else attempted to remove it at one point, and then like it was stripping, so they just said fuck that and left it alone. But we're gonna take it up. We're gonna try to take it apart. I already ordered the bolts, so let's see if I can get this to come off. All right, so I unbolted the compressor. It's got 3 bolts, one there, and then 2 down there, the other one right there, and then the other one right there. So I got it off. The top one was starting to like come off with its with the bolt, and not just the nut, but the nut's right here. So what I went and did, it got stripped at a hammer because I was hammering the 3/8 into this, and I had put I didn't use this. I used this to like torque it off, but I used this thing and it rattled it. It did get loose, so I thought like maybe I need some more torque, and that's why I added this. And then I put that on, and I used a big wrench for torque, but I didn't need to. As soon as I went to turn it, it was already loose thanks to this. So if anyone runs that situation, and I'm assuming it does because there's a video telling me that I need to spray that on before I even do anything, and I didn't know. But I did spray it. Sprayed it for 2 days, and I got the bottom one out, and that one was a difficult one because there's not enough space thanks to that thing. But if I knew that you can just loosen up the belt, drop the compressor, you get all this room. It's a little extra, but it was a pain in the butt because it got stripped. And again, I think it was already stripped. Someone was attempting to remove it, but failed. And when I went to do it, since it was stripped, it just kept getting more and more stripped. Either way, it doesn't matter. I got it out. New thermostat and thermostat housing, I guess. This thermostat. And then new housing right there. So we're just gonna put them on. All right, so my brother brought the nuts. The hood was open, so now this is hot. I'm gonna be nice and careful. Can you hold this over here?
Is it a lot better without the
Yeah. It's way better. I have to be super tight. Just give it a go. Snug. A little bit. That should be good. All right, so both of them are in. Now we're just gonna button everything up, put some coolant back in, bring the other way.
Oh yeah.
Definitely need enough. All right, so we got it topped off. Go for it. Now we just gotta make sure it flows into the engine. Turn your air off. Yeah. Huh? It's off? The fans are on. That's weird. I don't think your fans should turn on right away, or...
What if we were supposed to do that?
What? It's off right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's weird. Your fans weren't on when we got here, huh? They were off.
Well, they were because it was overheating. Remember?
No, but they should have been on. Alright, we're gonna let it warm up. Once it warms up, hopefully the thermostat opens up and then it gets filled all the way. So we forgot to plug in one more thing. This one right here. See if it makes a difference. There we go. That was the issue. It's barely starting to heat up. And then this one's already hot. This one's still cold, so I don't think it's opened up yet. That thermostat. And hopefully once it opens up, this goes down, we'll top it off, and we'll be good. I top it off and then close the cap. Solid. Oh, see? I think thermostat might have opened. Yep. Yeah, I got hot. So it's letting the... There you go. Hold this, and I'll just top it off and then close it. Okay, so the first one was a bubble, the fans turned on, and then it went down, then we topped it off. Now we can cap it. Yeah. I got it. Caution, very fucking hot. That's done. Coolant temp still normal?
Yeah, it's hot. Solid.
Okay. See if you can see it. Yep. Solid. Great job.
Okay.